I have made over 30 YouTube videos in my career to date, and today I'm going to consolidate all of that experience into a short and concise video and show you the most important things I have learned on how to make viral videos in regards to League of Legends. So sit back, relax, and welcome to one of the videos on the internet. Intros. Introductions. The proverbial handshake and nod of the YouTube world is not all just cool thumbnails and slick clickbait titles. Once the poor saps click on your video, you have to hook them. As a society, our attention spans are getting shorter and shorter, and the likelihood of the audience having bought ADD already is extremely high. And the odds of them having upgraded that motherfucker to high def is disgusting. You have to inform the viewer what they are in for, as well as pique their interest enough to finish the video. Captivate them with some sick memes or funny pictures, throw some bouncy words on the screen if needed, make it flashy, but above all, keep it professional. You want to do your cleanest work here at the beginning. A good intro could set your channel up for greatness, but having a bad intro won't even keep the boys in the yard long enough to post hateful comments on the project you've been tooling over for weeks. The first thing we can do to work on our intro is to include your audience in on the fun, alright? Gone are the days of starting your 480p COD 360 no-scope tutorial mid-joke with your pal from middle school while you're midway through stuffing your face with nacho cheese Doritos and slurping on some Mr. Pibb.
Oh, fuck you two.
A pleasure.
Why like none of my abilities went off?
No one wants to be the third monkey on the ramp to Noah's Ark. Include your audience in on the shenanigans. Make them feel like they're one of the guys. Invite them into your life, if only for a little while. Honestly, treat it like you're going on your first boy-girl dance, alright? Chill out, keep it real, as the kids say. But quit talking about how you can do the worm like Shaco so much. No one's into that. Stop. Number 2, spill the beans. Tell us what you're going to do today, how you're going to do it, and why. What are you going to do? We're going to do a non-stop Iron Challenger climb while live streaming all the ups and downs on YouTube. How are you going to do it? Playing Nami Jungle while rushing Runins and Bearsrkr Greaves. And why are you going to do it? To fill the hole your dad left in your heart by never telling you he loved you or was proud of any of the endeavors you took on as a child. 3, stop begging for subs and likes. None of the like and sub if you agree, or sub if you want this elo, like if you want this, comment if a Cali is bae. Alright, this isn't 2015, fellas, it's kind of needy. And number 4, be stimulating to your audience. Add some sound effects, some dings, some rips, some doodads, some wishes. A little production value goes a long way. This isn't the sci-fi channel, and this isn't the 90s. Something that's commonly left out is to protrude confidence in your video. Whether you're running it down mid or doing a little how-to, take that confidence, spin it, flip it, bop it, and spit it back in the face of whoever was fortunate enough to click on that thumbnail. Hold on, Bear, did you say fortunate enough? Yes, I did. Does it matter if you know anything about what you're talking about? No, it does not. This is YouTube, where the only people who know less than the content creators are the jackwads leaving comments like you used the wrong there when you made that joke and I didn't find it funny and such. You have all the credibility in the world if just one of your videos has 14 views, alright? Trust me. I'm from the internet. That's the intro. That's the salt on your pork rinds, the pepper to your banana, and that's just the start. Don't lose the energy now, sport. We're just catching third gear. It's not just the intro, then roll credits. The intro is the lipstick on the pig that is your own. It keeps the boys there for a second, but ultimately they're not yours yet. They can still jump ship at the first sign of rocky shores. That is just how empty your content really is. A really great introduction followed by 45 seconds of awkward silence because you had to edit out your friends chanting your name as you scored a sick double penta within 3 minutes without returning to base, but you're super famous because like sometimes up to 30 people watch your videos and you have to keep OPSEC, but also that clip was sick, so no way you're leading it. Come on now, guys. If you put together a totally rad intro, don't tease me with some snore fest for the next 15 minutes. Your audience is still there after the intro, or at least like 30% of them, so include them. Be inclusive. All inclusivity here. No one is excluded on this channel. Now let's go over some strategies for the leaguers still looking for some meat and potatoes in their first viral hit of League of Legends video. Step number this one, be good at the game. No one wants to watch a bronzy playing like he's in iron, talking like he's in gold, whip up a game of ARAM, alright? Be great. Be so great that even with your 89 subscribers, Tyler1 will invite you to the next super cool invitation content creator tournament thing that he does sometimes, alright? Be great. But no, alright? Be better than great. Gone are the days of you diving into bot lane without checking for your laners to get roughhoused back to New Orleans because everybody, including top lane, is setting up for Dragon, alright? No more shall we execute to our blue buff because we were returning the text of a female who might want to lay next to us in our bed one day. No more. I say no more. I lost count, but next step. Be funny. In fact, this is the most important step. In fact, you can throw the last step out of the window if you're funny enough to make up for the lack of map awareness and basic game sense. Iron 40 LP, no sweat. Crack some incest jokes and thinly veil your utter disappointment in your performance by telling yourself you didn't want to be a serious league content creator anyway. The hurt doesn't hurt as bad if you ignore it long enough, alright? And if you're not good at the game and you're not funny, invite your friends to play League. Maybe they'll be funny enough for you and you can ride their eccentric mutterings to fame, glory, and gold. Hello.
Hey.
Hey, do you want to play League of Legends today?
Nah, I'm good.
Hey, bite me, do you want to play League? Maybe an ARAM?
No. Just no.
Oh, okay. Hello?
No.
That's cool. Just do something in solo queue. It's more entertaining anyway. And if you're not good at the game and you're not funny and you have no friends, just do a how-to video. Also, sing your own outro song. Be unique. Slay my bear kings. Slay.
All you ever caused was pain. You can say sorry, the evidence is on my story, but I never complain. I wear it like a lesson, curse and a blessing. Oh, you're not a winner. Have you forgotten that you got a sword? You're on your knees, you're trying to speak, begging me please, but don't even say what you wanna say. It's too late, baby. Why did you wait to finally pay? It's too late to say.
If you're still here, leave. This video sucks. This channel sucks. And you suck for staying so long. Also, I love you. Comment kumquat if you're a real one and made it this far. Don't just say kumquat, all right? Don't make it obvious for the haters who watched the first 5 seconds and then posted something horrible. All right? Give me a fun fact about a kumquat. I don't know. How big are they? What do they taste like? I don't know. I've never even seen one. But say something about a kumquat. Later, losers. Love you.